What's happening, guys? It's Bangin' Bros here. Today we're at a local show and they've got a bass competition going on and a car show going on. So right now, this is a Sundown truck. He's running his Orion 5000s. This thing's gonna get down. Sitting over here on the Turn Lab. Just lining him up for his demo right now for his meter. This part of the video might be boring until he starts actually metering it, but sometimes people want to see what they actually do in order to meter it.
Hey, if anyone wants to try to hold that door, they can.
Mecca qualifying rounds. Lane 1. Donnie Riaco. Modified 5, 7501 plus, class.
You ready?
Competitors stand by.
All right,
Ready.
watch your screen.
Set. Go. Seconds. 10 seconds.
Of course, camera's wanting to get the TV screen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
You good? Good.
you guys can see that, but it metered at a 157.1. It's got 15K going to it. Coming off of the battery bank down here.
Hey.
Gonna do a little bit of walking around, see what's out there. Got this guy right here, 2 Incriminator 12s. Little arrow port from big ass ports. And over here, this is Dustin's car. You guys have seen this in a few videos. Oh, he took all the door panels off. Where are the fuzzy door panels? What is this? What is this? Where are the fuzzy door panels? Where did they go?
Welcome to my DV house.
And he's got, wait, that ain't right. There's only 3 15s in this car? There's supposed to be 4. Huh. Took one out. Now that's an amp holder.
Yeah.
What happened to the door panels?
I'm redoing my doors.
Oh, are you?
I'm wearing a plywood over here. Make it a little sturdier.
Yeah.
They move a lot.
Dude, we're gonna have to figure something out with Kyle's car. It's almost an inch of movement coming off of those doors right now.
Yeah.
And Friday, him and I are knocking the wall out. So you can go see, what's his name? So, is this thing finally done? He's finally had this thing broken and tuned how he wants it? Sorta, kinda. These are the 4 American-based 15s.
Because it don't work now.
What does she do with the single 15?
Not much.
Not much.
143 is what I did. I checked that home. So,
Those vocals have to be absolutely deafening inside though.
well, they were until apparently I think I blew an amp.
Hey, I'm in the same boat, that's why my truck came here. It's sitting out in the front of the parking lot with nothing in it.
Hey, where's that screwdriver?
Wow. Went over to this car. Now, okay. We got 2 15 HCCAs. That thing looks good, man.
Thanks, Bob. I appreciate it. You see the back?
Yeah,
Are you videoing?
yeah.
Oh, cool.
I do YouTube videos. Dustin's already in all of mine.
Yeah, I haven't been on YouTube yet, so there you go. Give me a thumbs up.
Big old arrow ports going in there. Still, he's pushing 10K to the Orion HCCA 5000.1s. He's got the Limitless lithiums down there. Those door panels, though. Wow. Those are some serious door panels. It's clean, and you must be getting ready to work on the seats next. God almighty.
I want to get my money out of it.
Those are some airports. Jesus.
Oh, okay. So I need to pay for it for a couple months for it or what?
I wonder how many runs a zero.
Oh, okay.
Soundstream equalizers. It's clean. Blacked out the back window with wood. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do so those airports don't blow out that back window there. Holy cow, those are some big boys there. So, this truck obviously gets metered a lot. He's got that SPL lab strapped right onto the front of the window there. I wonder what the line is going up in there. Oh, I hear Dustin. Dustin's over here doing demos. Holy door movement.
John, get in there.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Anybody else?
No,
that's all right.
Hey Dustin, can I steal a daylight demo from you?
Hey,
Get in?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Go for it, bro. Yeah.
wait till my friend Frankie comes in.
Oh boy. I forgot how low this car was, yeah.
Fair warning, I'm about to shit on you. Let's go, let's go.
It feels like it got louder.
It feels like, but it didn't.
Yeah, that's so weird. I was just saying.
Justin, let him get a demo. Want to hear it?
That thing definitely feels like it's gotten louder since the last video here. More worried about getting a little kid than everybody else, but I'll see if I can't get them all in one video.
Elaborate.
It's not entirely finished yet, but this is where he's going to stay for a minute. Showing off all the Dustins. Dropping the phone, hang on. Did I pause it? Please don't tell me I paused it. I did. Good, sorry about all the fingertip for a second. Okay, hold up. This is the car that blew out that windshield. The last meet, this is the car that had no windshield. Here it is, that's exactly what I thought it was. You still ain't got that windshield fixed?
No, it just happened.
I'm wandering over here with him. He looks like he's lining up to... Oh no, hang on. Let me rephrase that, I want to get that demo.
A whole bunch of mids and highs.
How does that one feel compared to Dustin's?
Try it.
I haven't demoed this one. The reason I look so comfortable...
I couldn't fucking swallow. Try it out.
The reason I'm so comfortable with this one is I do all their base beats with them. His tires were flexing. I was like, his tires are moving every bass drop. Plausible for someone to steal another demo for you, or is it too warm? Yeah, I want to get a video. You're the only person that shows up in the meets. I ain't got a video of their car yet. Oof. They smell good. So it's at the 418. Your tires were flat. What? I think I got them in the video. I like it.
Take me up and show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley. I make your balloon pop.
likes those punchy notes.
Yeah, like.
A lot of rappers talking that shit, not enough doing that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I was 18, statutory raping this little hoe, even though we was dating. And if I'm taking public transportation,
That baby gets down.
Thanks, man.
I cannot wait to see what this guy does to that windshield. That windshield's gonna be so gone. Whew.
Slash pickup one.
Wow. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap it up for the very first video today. I'm gonna split this up in the middle into multiple little things. So like I said, this is Bang It Bros here. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and in the next video you guys will see more of this amazing car meet we got going on here today. And I'll be wandering over there to that section you guys see behind me, but right now I'm looking at blowing out some windshields and then taping them together. So like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.